Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit them.
Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy B Smooth. We're back at it. I know it's been a while since you seen me. Been taking a break from this shit. But today, we got a little project. One of my buddies, his kinfolk, hit me up. Said that his truck been having a little wire issue, something dealing with the lights on it. And we finna run through it and see exactly what's going on. He say the light flickering when he turn it on. It's like a 1980 something short bed. I don't know, let's jump into it. It may help some people, may not. Shit, I don't know, let's get it. All right, here we go, y'all. 1980 something short bed. I guess this is project truck. I hope it is. Anywho. All right, so I'm gonna hit the lights. As you can see, I already took the dimmer light switch apart due to the fact that it was fucking destroyed and burnt out here, there, and there. So I went on and took that apart. And what happens is you turn the lights on and this is what happens. So I took my battery out the purple hole. Said we don't never use because we run lithium in the back, so the battery just sits up there. Took the battery out. Tried to retrace wires and everything. Somebody already been tampering with the truck. I also set the timing on here. Just did a couple minutes ago, set the timing. So this is the wire that we're looking at right here that causing all that contraption. It's the green wire. Green wire is for the high beams. And what happens is once you turn the green wire on, it seems like it's not getting enough constant fire. As you can see now, see? Flash, flash. See that? So let's go on in here and look at something. All right, now first thing I noticed that all the wires are kind of fucked up on here. So he's supposed to be bringing me another one. So that right there, high beam. I mean, not high beam, that's low beam. So what I noticed was it did it on high beam, but it doesn't do it on low beam. So with that being said, first thing hit me in the head, like, either a wire cross, lack of fire, something in that nature, not constant fire going to the high beams. So the only thing I can think of, he say he changed the dimmer switch, and he say he also changed the light switch. Now on these trucks, it's a lot older. So wiring is so much fucking easier on these trucks because it's not that many. But as you can see, low beams working perfect. But the high beam, as soon as you go to the high beam, it start flashing and going crazy and all kinds of stuff. All right, this right here is your light switch. So that's how you turn it on. On, off, on, off, etc., whatever. So I take my Tesla light right here, my nice trusted cheap El Cheapo Tesla light, and I just sit it down here on this one here. Now that seems to be the one that carries the most fire and everything. As you can see, she's on. Now, as soon as let's move that for a second. As soon as we click this, hold up, stay. As soon as we do that, it goes to high beam. And as you can see, the test light flashes and so do it. So my guess is it's something dealing with the wiring, the main wiring, basically going into this damn thing. And he still need one of them because that was fucking destroyed. So, hey, nice Chevrolet ammo. So, let's try this, man. See? Flash. Now, see? It's just going fucking nuts. So, let's try this real quick. Okay, so what I noticed was this is the plug for it right here. As you can see, someone already been trying to tamper with wires. Not me, somebody else. All right, so let's try to unplug this thingamajig. Just a little wiggle. Yo, all right. Oh, I think we found our problem. I think we found our fucking problem. It's actually a wire that goes into this one that is burnt right there. As you can see, the prongs. So it's actually a wire that goes into that one. As you can see, no prong for this one, but it's one at the top. But it's a prong for this one. I wanted to bet you my bottom dollar that that's a constant hot, and that one right there is basically throwing mixed signals. Huh, interesting. I'm finna try something, guys. Let's see if it works. All right, there we go. So what I did was I disconnected the yellow wire, which was causing all the flashing. And I basically ran another wire with a prong over here to the top. You can see the ugly ass prong sticking out. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna straighten that out in a minute. But we're just trying to do the process of elimination. But as you can see, light staying constant. So that means constant fire, turns off, back on, so it's constant. Constant fire and not jumping from side to side. Sometimes when you go with the aftermarket plugs, you have to reroute some wires and all of that stuff. So hopefully this will straighten that out. All right, so that's low beam. All right, let's just click her over to high beam real quick. All right, and that's high beam. As you can see, no more flickering. Let me start it up and make sure. All right, like I say, I reset the timing on here, got it to the point where the fire straight up, so it shouldn't be a whole lot of, oh, that boy here with that goddamn timing. All right, no flickering, everything running smooth actually. Huh, interesting. Well, ain't that some shit? Gonna let it run for a minute, guys. Then we're gonna come back and double check and make sure everything all right. I gotta scrap these wires down, run the new pigtail in here real quick, double check everything. He gotta bring me a battery for this old thingamajig. I'm finna see. But I'm gonna let it run for a couple of minutes and we're gonna see if this fits the problem. Let's get it. All right, guys, I've been letting it run now for, give or take, about 30 minutes. Still running. Motherfucker run good. Ugly as hell, but it run good. Light still working just fine. Check out that little setup. Little bad little setup. Woo. They're playing, it's decent. There ain't much back there. Look at that. But yeah. He got a little skip to it. He need to get out of here. The motherfucker boom, 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 boom. But as you can see, just double checking everything. Turn them off, make sure everything going on, make sure there ain't no power going to the unit while we're going to that wire and then. All right, we're good there. All right, back on. All right, try to touch all these little wires and make sure they ain't getting hot in there. All right, even that little wire I got hanging back here, touch it, make sure it's not getting hot. My bad, y'all. Let me touch it back here and make sure it's not getting hot. I'm gonna actually cut that off. All right, nah, she's not hot. They not hot. Just need to replace them. All right. Make sure low beam, low beam still working. All right, there it is. All right, let's get it. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. I still gotta get the pigtail that he finna bring to me for that. I'm gonna do a little clip of it when I get done with it. Still got to put a connector on the back of there and cut that other wire and put a butt end on it, or whatever the hell the end called. I got to get my battery the fuck up out of here. He finna bring one, but otherwise, as you guys can see, running fucking awesome. Lights working just fine. So if you got one of these 1980 whatever the fuck model Chevrolet C1500, C10, whatever it is, this may help if you've been having a little light problem. So hey, let's get it.
She run on my dick like a bandit. She suck on her dick like it's candy. Swallow the dick, make it vanish. I'm freaking that shit, but she classy. Niggas be talking that rah-rah. Chopper hit don't make him charge up. All of that talk, I'm not with it. Drinking my cup, man, I'm lit it. Glock in my belt, defended. I am still fucking on Britney. Digging her down, make her feel it. Rapper CD cover, I am a split. Brand new car, go start when I'm in it. If you wanna see me down, you gotta wait for a minute. Been focused on cash, ain't stunning on niggas. I get the swag from my daddy, bitch, I'm flash. Young little hoe be watching me. Tell that little hoe, watch the wrist. Pandemic ain't stopping shit. Pull over and roll a split. Hit the blunt and take a drip. Codeine syrup to my lip. A couple of bands make a show out. A couple of drinks made a freak out. She ride on my dick like a bandit. She suck on her dick like it's candy. Swallow the dick, make it vanish. I'm freaking this shit, but she classy.